we thought too when this fucking truck's coming here.
Right. Right. Opening the doors up. We're about to take this for a test drive. We think it's ready. She's on the deck now. New wheels all around.
Man, reckons RTD.
He reckons it's RTD. So yeah. Go test out this new head gasket and stuff and see if it overheats and see if everything's running alright. What do you reckon?
Oh, I don't fucking know.
Going for a bit of streeto in Mexico. As for this guy over here, he's got fucking shit for brains. What are you trying to do?
Dialing my setup.
He's trying to stiffen up his...
No, don't give everyone my secret.
Oh, okay, okay. We'll see. No, you will see when that is flying past you.
Nah, I've actually got to stiffen up my front suspension to my wheels, so...
Yeah. His wheels are sitting out here. All our new Kendies on the front.
So, a lot of mahi in it. Oh, painting my other wheels too, so they're not yuck.
Yeah. Those gold wheels there, the Blitz, have been painted white. White, all the wheels around here. Might paint the Blitz white. I'm kidding. Jesus, that'd be bad. Right, so I'm gonna go hook up my trailer. I'm gonna push this out. I can't do anything on that at the moment, so I'll go test this. Sounds good? Good, let's go.
See you in Mexico.
Can he drive on the trailer, or do we have to winch it? This is gonna be bad. Oh boy. Ugh. Nice one. Bit more. So we had to make a quick stop to the warehouse because Kudo's got tink pants. Made him buy some new ones. Chuck them in the back.
Fucking wet from hunting. Fuck off, boy.
Tinking out the ute.
Hunting bitches.
I don't know, eh? Right, boys, let's go. Test time. Alright. Just gotta top up the power steering because it hasn't been topped up since Josh replaced the rack. And then we hiss him.
Well, that's automatic transmission fluid.
Oh, he gives a fuck.
Up to brother.
The factory's flashing low.
Oh shit, we're up.
Right, hold that.
So this is how you road tune in Gisborne.
Tune me up.
Oh! These guards are gonna get reamed from these tyres. Oh boy. Oh boy. I can see his mug from here. Holy shit! Fuck was that? I don't know about this thing, eh? Something smoking. Very nasty. Seems to be okay so far, just needs to warm up a bit more. It's just got that cold limiter happening. Limiter. Yes, ideally it does need a tune after doing the head gasket and stuff, but it's a bit difficult when all our tuners, well, any tuners are so far away from us. Right, we gotta go. Someone's getting mad. It was all going well until the wastegate fell off. But yeah, she good, she good.
I don't know, do I look for the clamp or nah? What? Go!
Oh yeah, true. Quick, quick, quick! They're coming! Hurry up, pump the tonnage. Go! Whoa, 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 whoa! So this is a situation back in here. Josh has got the car up in the air again because as we got back, fixed the wastegate that fell off, which caused us not to be able to drive anymore. The clamp for the wastegate actually fell on the ground. We drove like a K trying to find it, and luckily we found it because it's a big 60mm thing, so it would have been a bit difficult to try to find one again. But so as we're taking it off the trailer, notice the clutch is gone again. So unsure what's going on there. That's the issue we had before. It was leaking and then just lost the clutch. So very short for time now. It's a pretty shit situation, but once again, this is why we try to test the cars before we go to the track. Otherwise you travel all that way only to find something's wrong and you can't even drive.
That's just it.
But other than that, everything else was mint. New head gasket, didn't even get hot at all. And yeah, the car was actually running very good.
Bugger all cool into my custom overflow bottle there.
New overflow there, bit of a Steiny bottle, and nothing's gone in there, which is good. So,
if anyone could shed some light onto my clutch situation,
well,
pretty sure it's just a release bearing.
it'll probably be fixed by then. So yeah, I think Josh is just going to buy a new release bearing and be done with it. Gonna have to fork out, unfortunately.
Yep, that's life really.
But here we go, third time.
Third time's the charm.
Dog box is coming out. As for this hybrid lid over here, he is fucking around. So much moaning. He's still doing those fucking things. He quitting the game. Same actually. This, honestly, you've got diarrhea for brains. Yeah, you need a big turbo. Right, so turns out it's not actually the slave or what we were thinking. We found out that the clutch here, the pedal is bending so much that
Bending over here.
yeah, it's going behind the brake pedal, which we tried to reinforce, but it's still doing it. It's because like the firewall's so weak. So what's happening? It's bending so far over that the push rod's
Losing its travel through.
yeah, it's not even pushing. So
Yeah.
therefore, it's not pushing fluid, and the clutch isn't working. So that's probably better than pulling the gearbox out again. So it's just gonna have to be reinforced a little bit more somehow.
Weld it to the fucking steering column. Straight up. Look at that.
Yeah, that's bad.
And that's just with my, imagine a foot like
Oh yeah.
fully clutch kicking.
Like, oh you,
Boom.
yeah, look at that. Simple. Yeah, that's how it was straight away.
And you just lose all your clutch. And then you break your $10,000 transmission.
Well, that's just it at the end of the day. This is not good enough.
It isn't. These GTR pedals are just not the one.
And come over to Gazza again, and he's still working on his bloody coilovers. He's got the big gear out now. Holy shit! He's like, what are you, you're bent 2 C-spanners.
I have bent 2 C-spanners.
Trying to do that bottom collar. Holy shit!
I've had pipes on C-spanners, I've had all sorts, so now I've had to get these out of Josh's work van and hopefully I can undo it.
Well, you've got shit going on there.
I'm not happy, eh?
Oof! Even that's not doing it.
Well,
You're gonna have to take them out and get new ones, I think. They're fucked.
no. I'll just lift it up and leave them where they are.
Give up while you're ahead.
Or
Or what?
grinder.
Get the grinder, cut the locking collar in half,
Yeah.
and then weld it back up when you've got your desired height.
Nah, never mind that one. I'll just wind this one down and Loctite that one there. Oh no. What I'll do, I'll snip this bottom one.
Yeah.
Wind that one there down.
Yeah.
And just put a little bit of spot of weld on the bottom of that one so that one doesn't lock and undo my spring tension.
Yeah, I mean, once your suspension's set, it's set.
That's it.
I mean, sometimes times get tough and you just have to do RFB stuff, unfortunately. Clearly we're taking the piss. Don't take it too seriously. You're not. Well, I laugh now.
You laugh now.
Yeah.
Look at this, Junior.
Get him.
We got them. Tell you what, these Nipex water pump pliers, mate, they've saved me many a times. And this has been one of those times. You ask Josh, you go and ask Josh. You ask him how many times these have saved him. $500. Just $500 overspent. Perfect for reaming all kinds of shit. They actually are, like, we've got a bit of reamage on the collar itself, but
They're vicious, boy. They're taking no prisoners.
they are, look.
And that collar, there's no prisoner of those pliers.
You can see the bite marks. They're vicious.
Got bitten.
They got some serious teeth on them, but they certainly know how to undo shit.
Oof, your thread is cooked.
There's a fuck on it.
Oh.
Oh, nothing. A bit of filings.
Oh.
Oh, well, that's nothing a bit of fucking CRC won't fix. Where's the CRC?
You wouldn't believe it. Finally getting rid of our tyres. So we posted them up on Facebook and some bloke said he'll use them as a retaining wall. So easy for us, easy for him. And we finally got room again.